Welcome back to ROZZY'S Life. Today I will be making Blackberry Cobbler. All of the instructions will be on this video. Doesn't it look good, y'all? Get ready for some goodness. So first we're going to go on ahead and make the crust. I have another video on how to make this crust on my page, Flaky Pie Crust from Scratch. I am now going to continue on with making the flaky pie crust. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video helps you in any way. And don't forget to hit the bell so you get all notifications of all new uploads and whenever I go live. And please tell a friend about ROZZY'S Life on YouTube. All right, the dough is ready, so now it's time for me to roll it out. This pie crust is absolutely delicious. It goes very, very well with a sweet treat because it has that salt to knock it off. It is so delicious. I hope you try this recipe. Now it's time for us to put them in their little pans. We're making personal blackberry cobbler treats. Just look at that crust. Absolutely perfect. And while making your dough, if it happens to be sticky, while you're rolling it, you can add more flour as you roll it. No more to the ingredient mixture at all. You will mess it all the way up. So now we're just going to make the strips to go on top of the cobbler. You don't have to make the mini pies. You can make a whole pie out of this crust. I only made them mini today, so we will have no arguments on who gets the last piece. You make your strips as thick or as thin as you like for your pie. Okay, this is the last of the strips. So here it is, the pie crust and the strips. All right, looks good. Ready to go on ahead and get the mixture ready to fill. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to put a cup of sugar in this pot, 1 bag of the blackberries. And I'm going to make sure that I mix it so all of the sugar will be absorbed with the liquid that came from the blackberries itself. If not, the sugar will burn. Now we're adding in some lemon juice from a lemon, some cinnamon, some butter, and some cornstarch. Mix it well so the cornstarch will disappear. And then we'll just let it sit so it can percolate by itself. All right, here we go. Looking good, right? The berries are still juicy. Yum. And the liquid is perfect. Time to pour. Delicious. Try not to overfill it because it will already spill over. Try these for any occasion, not just for after dinner dessert. Personalized little pies. Isn't that cute? And it can serve two. Okay, we'll just continue on to filling up the crust. And this recipe holds 4 of these little pie shell pans. Easy. And they're ready, y'all. Look how beautiful they came out. You see how they spilled over anyway? I put some foil down, but you can use parchment paper unless you just don't mind cleaning it. But that would be a deep soak if you have to clean it. This recipe is a winner. And I topped it off with some ice cream. So we have Blackberry Cobbler a la mode. I thank you all for your time. You guys stay safe. Please stay safe. And always wash your hands and leave your shoes at the door. And I'll see you all on the next video. If you try this recipe, please leave me a comment. I would love to know how it turned out for you. I am out.